We are up to mitzvah 109. This is mitzvahs loy saseh, prohibited mitzvah number 63 in the Torah. It's found in Shemais, Lamed, Pasuk Lamed Beis, Shemais 30, verse 32. This is found in Parshas Kisisa. It's referring to the Shemen HaMishcha, the special oil that was made for anointing. It says in the Torah, Uv maskuntai loy sasu. And according to its measurements, you can't make any. So it's forbidden to reproduce this Shemen HaMishcha, this anointing oil, which Moshe Rabbeinu made according to the exact ingredients and the exact formula, recipe that was prescribed by the Torah. Now, even for use in the base of Mikdash, it is forbidden to duplicate the recipe. However, it's brought down in the case of the prohibition, the isser of duplicating the ketairis, which we'll see in Mitzvah 110. It's permitted to make new incense if you need it in the base of Mikdash. But this was made by Moshe Rabbeinu, and it was never to be duplicated. Now, it's brought down in Krisos. Hashem commanded us not to reproduce this formula, even for the use in the base of Mikdash, because many miracles took place when this oil was made. So we had to have exactly this special Shemen HaMishcha. Second, Hashem wanted the two leaders of each generation, the king and the Kohen Gadol, to be anointed with the oil by Moshe Rabbeinu, who was almost like the first king. And this was so that everyone realizes this is all part of a chain. You're part of this tradition or this legacy that everybody would want to follow in the footsteps of Moshe. And also it would show them, it would teach them the fear that you have to do every single thing exactly it was prescribed in the Torah as was prescribed and given to Moshe Rabbeinu. So exactly the same Torah that was passed down to Moshe Rabbeinu, it's the same thing. It went from generation to generation, king to king. Nothing changed. It was the original oil that was given to Moshe Rabbeinu, and the same thing, when they would get anointed, they would know everything that's passed down, that they continue, is just part of that tradition and that legacy that was given to Moshe Rabbeinu at that time.